How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another hands-on review from Tech Spotlight. I'm your host, Richard Johnson. Guys, today I got my hands on one. We are going to be reviewing my Kindle Fire Max 11. Or sorry, I should say the Fire Max 11 because that's how it's advertised. But I picked this up. My wife was in the market for her next tablet. The Fire Max 11 came out. It checked the boxes on everything she wanted, so I picked one up to see how my wife liked it, and she pretty much can't put this thing down. I mean, from streaming to gaming, this thing has done everything that she's wanted it to do. Very happy we picked one up. I do want to start with build. This is a aluminum case. Like I said, on how I really like the Samsung tablets for being an aluminum build, they got it now. So very happy with the overall build quality on this. You do have kind of a two-tone at the top here. You do have a rear-facing camera and a front-facing camera. And one thing that I like about the Kindle cases and tablets, that they have Smart Wake. It's just a quality of life feature, nothing major, but just a quality of life feature that when you open up the case, the screen wakes and you just slide to unlock. I just like the feature. It's just one of those things that, like, you know, heated seats in a car. People get them. They love it. I like that feature. I think it's kind of cool. So anyways, guys, wanted to test a couple things. So home button to wake, unlock, very quick. Okay. Let's go here and open up Netflix. Like a second to load up Netflix. Let's find, let's see, I was watching Stranger Things, so let's.
Okay. Night all. Night, Mike.
This is 100, almost 100% volume. Good sound quality. Again, the speed is amazing. I mean, seriously, guys, if I let's try. I'll open up Hulu. I mean, it's like a second to load. Go to the Kindle. It took it a couple more seconds, but loading up a book library is a little bit different as well. So we'll try one of the games my wife has on here. We'll open up Fishdom. We just got to load up the game client, but I mean, it's very, very responsive. Screen quality as well. I apologize that it's not capturing the full quality of this, but the screen is vibrant. The colors are distinct. Again, everything is very responsive, and time that it takes to open when you're playing games. And I'm in my basement too. Like, my access point for my Wi-Fi is upstairs, so I'm in my basement right now. Typically not a great connection down here, but, you know, I'm going to feed my wife's fish for her. I'm sure she'll be happy. So, battery life on this. Again, my wife uses her tablet pretty much every single day, and we charge up the tablet, I want to say once a week. We charge it up. It might be more. I would just say once to twice a week we charge up the tablet, using it for a few hours a day, every day. Battery life is excellent. Quality of videos, screen response time, everything excellent. Also, it just lit up and Groot's on there, and Groot is my favorite Guardian, so there's that as well. And highly recommend getting a case for it. Does have on the bottom edge, you do have 2 sets of speakers. You can see there and there. Again, this is a USB-C for the charger port. And then you've got, this is on the top edge. You've got your power button. You've got your volume button, your USB-C charger port. And then you've got your slot for a micro SD card, should you need some additional storage space. One nice thing about this tablet too, if you want to use the tablet for business or work, on the bottom edge that you can see, you've got 2 slots here, and then you've got your, your magnetic power there. You can actually get a keyboard case that this goes in, and with the tablet having everything it has on it, you can do some business related stuff. So if you wanted to create spreadsheets or type text documents or, you know, whatever it may be, anything that you can get productivity wise on the Kindle Fire, you can then do, because you have it's called a productivity bundle, where you get the keyboard case, you get a stylus, so you can get apps where you can draw and do graphics design and things like that. That gives the tablet here a good amount of versatility. So I do highly recommend checking that out if you are wanting to pick up the Fire Max 11 and do some good work on it, right? These tablets are typically in the $230 range. I do pretty frequently see them going on sale for $170, $180, the tablet by itself. So definitely keep checking back if it's not currently on sale, because you will find this on sale at some point for a good discount. But very, very, very pleased with the Fire Max 11. My wife does do some reading on this too. It is heavier, okay, between the aluminum back, the 11-inch screen and everything. It is heavier. Holding it with one hand, you could get a little bit of reading fatigue if you were just sitting there reading it, but it's not overly heavy. I wouldn't give it a negative score just because of the weight. It's not too bad. Maybe a good 2-hand reading position for the tablet. Just my personal opinion. Like I said, with my tablet, I like it a little bit lighter, but if I were reading on this, I could achieve it, and I'd be pretty happy with it. So that is my overall review on the Fire Max 11. Highly, highly, highly recommend this tablet. Between the battery life, the build quality, the screen wake when you open up the case cover and everything, the responsiveness, the speed of the processor, everything. Highly, highly recommend this tablet. This could easily, in my opinion, guys, be a $300 tablet that I would see no issue paying for what you get. So the $230 range that this is at typical retail, I find very, very reasonable. So if you haven't already, and you're looking for another Fire tablet or 11-inch tablet, you want something good quality, good sound, responsive, quick, and something a little bit bigger. Maybe you like streaming your Netflix and Hulu and Max, and you want a nice, vibrant color screen. This I highly, highly recommend. Having us now had this now for the pretty much since it released, so I want to say it's been out now for 5-6 months, if I remember right. Very happy with the purchase so far. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have one of the Fire Max 11s, what you think of it. If there's any other questions that you might have, let me know in the comments. I do personally read and respond to every comment that I get on my channel, so it helps support us as well. But guys, if you want to check this out, there will be a link in the video description that will take you to the listing on Amazon, so you can check this out. And again, thank you so much for the support, guys. I'm your host, Richard Johnson. This was Tech Spotlight with a hands-on review of the Fire Max 11. Guys, have an amazing day. I'll talk to you again soon.